Connect your hearts with the 5 daily prayers. Wallahi, you will heal. Cut everything at the time of your prayer and pray. Try it out. Do you know what happened? A few years ago, or from a few years, I've been saying, my brothers and sisters, the 5 daily prayers are compulsory, but you really want the help of Allah, get up at least once a month for tahajjud. Once a month for tahajjud. Once a week if you can. If not, once a month for tahajjud. Once. So many times it happens, we're awake at the time. It's okay. It's not a condition that you need to have slept before your tahajjud is acceptable. But if you've slept, you get up. If you haven't slept, you fulfill it once the time is in. No harm, no problem. However, my brothers, my sisters, try it out. Wallahi, it will change your life. So I got messages from more than one who've told me, you know, you suggested this. Well, we tried it out. It changed our lives and we've become regular. All of them say, we've become more regular. We thought, all right, let's do it once a month. And it changed our lives. In what way? Allah grants you a brightness in your face to begin with. A brightness.